Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to block someone on LinkedIn. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to LinkedIn and choose the person that you want to block. For example, I will block this person. You have to open the profile and after that go and click on the three dots next to message. Next to message. And after that you will find the option report or block. Click on it and choose the first option, and as you can see, it tells you are about to block that person. Click on block and voila, you blocked this person. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like